Meaning of Icelandic.
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 Icelandic. The term Icelandic refers to anything related to Iceland, a Nordic island country located in the North Atlantic Ocean. It can describe the Icelandic language, the culture, customs and traditions, as well as the people and their physical characteristics. Icelandic is a Germanic language spoken by the Icelandic people, descendants of Norse settlers who arrived on the island in the 9th century. The language has been influenced by Old Norse, Danish, and English. Icelandic culture is known for its rich folklore, literature, music, art, and cuisine. The country is also famous for its natural beauty, including glaciers, hot springs, and volcanoes.